how to change currency in Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and then click on settings here. And then just click here. Look for currency display under store defaults, and then click on the three dots here. And then click on change store currency. Then you will see your current store currency here. As for me, mine is set to Philippine peso. So if you want to change it, just click here. And for example, I want to change it to USD. And then just keep in mind that changing your currency will require you to review and update pricing across your store to prevent unexpected results at checkout. So for the reason for changing, this is optional. You can choose anyone here, but for me, I won't choose anything, and just click on save. And there you go. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.